In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a list in Apollo.io. If you're new to this platform or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you feel confident in exporting your lists without any hassle. To start, you'll want to open your web browser. Make sure it's one you're comfortable using, as familiarity can make this process smoother. Once your browser is up and ready, head over to your preferred search engine and type in Apollo.io. This will lead you to their official website, which is the platform you'll be using to manage and export your lists. Once you've landed on the Apollo.io homepage, you'll need to log in. Apollo.io offers a couple of methods for logging in, either via your email or through Single Sign-On, also known as SSO. Choose the option that's linked to your Apollo.io account. If you encounter any issues logging in, make sure to verify your credentials or reach out to support for assistance. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find a sidebar with various options. What you're looking for is the Lists option, so go ahead and click on it. This is where Apollo.io organizes all your saved lists, providing a neat overview and easy accessibility. Take your time scanning through your lists to find the specific one you wish to export. This might be a list of leads, contacts, or any other data you've stored in Apollo.io. Once you've identified the list you need, glance towards the right side of that list. You'll see an export icon there. It's typically designed to be intuitive, a small icon suggesting data movement or transfer. Now click on the export icon. This will initiate the export process. At this point, Apollo.io might offer you different file formats to choose from, such as CSV or Excel, among others. Choose the format that best suits your needs. If you're unsure which format to select, consider how you plan to use the data. For instance, if you're integrating it with another software or system, verify its compatibility with your chosen format. Finally, confirm your selection, and the export will begin. Depending on the size of your list, this may take a few moments. Take a breath and let the process complete. Once done, check your downloads or designated folder to ensure your list has been successfully exported. And there you have it. A quick and straightforward way to export a list from Apollo.io. With these easy-to-follow steps, you can manage and export your data efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and if you have any more questions or need further guidance, feel free to refer back to this video anytime.